When to use WorldPay SOAP API is a crucial decision for businesses looking to integrate payment processing into their systems. This guide will walk you through the key concepts and practical examples to help you decide when to use the WorldPay SOAP API. Firstly, it is essential to understand what the WorldPay SOAP API is. The WorldPay SOAP API is a payment processing interface that allows businesses to integrate payment functionality into their websites, mobile applications, or internal systems. It uses the simple Object Access Protocol to facilitate the exchange of payment information between the business system and WorldPay. To determine when to use the WorldPay SOAP API, consider the following scenarios. If you need to process payments in real time, the WorldPay SOAP API is an ideal choice. It provides instant payment processing, allowing your customers to complete transactions quickly and efficiently. Additionally, if you require a high degree of customization and control over the payment processing experience, the WorldPay SOAP API is a suitable option. It provides a flexible and scalable payment solution that can be tailored to meet your specific business needs. Another scenario where the WorldPay SOAP API is useful is when you need to process recurring payments or subscriptions. The API provides a range of features that support recurring payments, including automated payment scheduling and payment retry functionality. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses that offer subscription-based services or products. In terms of best practices, it is crucial to ensure that your system meets the WorldPay SOAP API technical requirements before integration. This includes having a compatible programming language and a secure payment processing environment. Additionally, it is essential to thoroughly test your integration to ensure that it is working correctly and securely. Finally, consider the benefits of using the WorldPay SOAP API. It provides a secure and reliable payment processing solution that supports a range of payment methods and currencies. It also offers real-time payment processing, automated payment reporting, and flexible payment routing options. In conclusion, the WorldPay SOAP API is a powerful payment processing tool that can help businesses streamline their payment operations and improve customer satisfaction. By understanding when to use the WorldPay SOAP API and following best practices, you can unlock the full potential of this payment processing solution and take your business to the next level.